I'm Max Dalton, and in this video, I'll show you how to see all of your YouTube channel subscribers. Step 1. Open a web browser, navigate to studio.youtube.com, and then sign into your YouTube account if you're not signed in already. You'll land on your YouTube Studio home screen. Step 2. Make sure Dashboard is selected in the menu on the left side of the screen. Step 3. Scroll down to the Recent Activity section on the right side of the screen and then click to select Subscribers in this section. Next, click See All Subscribers. A window opens showing you all of your YouTube channel subscribers. Let me know if this video helped you out in the comments below. If you liked what you saw here, click the video links on the right side of the screen to check out another video. Or click the logo on the left side of the screen to check out my tutorial website at www.maxdalton.how.